Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 14 Neo to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, to get rid of Personalization 1, hit History at the bottom of both smartphones. Wait for the pop-up and tap on wherever you want to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. And then select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi, which is an Android. Finally, by tapping on all of those categories available at the top of Motorola, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow. When you finish, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And finally hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!